Let's create a sound visualization in Blender. Add a cube and move it on Z by 1 mm. Right click and set origin to 3D cursor. Now press I and insert the keyframe on scale. Go to Graph Editor, select the Z axis and go to K, then back sound to F curve. Change the attack time to the value like 0.015. Now select the audio file, then back sound to F curve. Press the spacebar button on your keyboard. In order to hear the sound, go to Video Sequence, then Add and select your audio file. Then add soundtrack. Here we go. Last but not least, go to Edit Mode and duplicate your cube. Then move it on Y. Select the top face and move it on Z axis. Do exactly the same thing for the rest of the cube. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.